Hey, it's the Flip Coach, and I am back at 1331, our Deerfield Beach rehab project. We are now done and ready to market the property. We have a few little details that we need to take care of, but look at this beautiful pool deck. This is one of the biggest items that were still remaining in the house to get done. We had a few leaks in the pool. We had to redo the coping, but we've used this gray tile. It's a three-shaped tile, so it gives a nice little pattern that we've done for the entire deck, and tied it in with the colors and everything that we have for the pool as well. So we are done here pretty much in the backyard. We still have to do a little bit of landscaping, just a little bit of final touches that we'll do this week before we take the final pictures. But this back oasis is going to be one of the biggest selling points of the house. The other selling point of the house is going to be the inside, the interior, with the kitchen and bathroom. So let me take you guys inside and show you all the progress in there. So the inside came out even better than what I had thought. When I had the first concept of this open kitchen, which you guys saw in the last episode, it still just didn't quite all fit in my mind of how nice it was going to look until we got the backsplash and everything else done. So now that we have all of the backsplash, all of the appliances in, we have the two-tone cabinets with our Carrera countertops, and the open concept of this kitchen just really makes this space. I mean, this is what, this is what everyone's looking for, is those real open spaces for the kitchens to really tie in with the rest of the house. So I want to take you guys back to the master bathroom so you guys can see the finished touches in there, as well as the guest bathroom too. Now, you did see most of the work in the bathrooms the last episode, but we have made those final finishing touches. One of the things that we've done is with the dual vanity, we finally were able to install the faucets and pass our inspections. It's kind of a weird spacing in that bathroom. There really wasn't that much room for us to put the forward-facing faucets, so we had to put them on the sides, but it came out nice. And of course, the shower came out beautiful. We have all the tile work in the front and the back, which is a little bit different. It's a nice little modern style with the square shower head and the really nice shower pan at the bottom, the stonework, which ties in with the tile in the bottom of the bathroom floor. So that's the master bathroom. So let's take you guys in and take a look at the guest bath. It's been a long day. I need to take a rest. So we have all the tile work and everything here. I believe all of this was installed for the last time. We did finish installing our vents and passed inspections on those when we did our electrical inspections. And then, of course, in the vanity as well, we finished putting in the last of the plumbing so we could put our fixtures on our faucet. And now our vanity is finished. Now our guest bathroom is finished. So now we are ready to sell. Okay, well, that's about it. Now, we did have a few other changes that I just wanted to show you guys. The garage is now completed. We have painted the garage floor. It had some tile work there. We put in a new motor in there, as well as a new garage door, and the laundry room with the new water heater. We have the hookup for washer and dryer right off the kitchen, so that would make it nice for the new homeowners. And in the front here, we've painted the driveway. We painted the garage door. The accent colors looked really nice when we did the exterior painting. We did some more landscaping. So now we've got that curb appeal and ready to put this property on the market. So stay tuned for the final episode, because I will break down the numbers when we sell this property and go through everything of what the costs were, what the rehab was, and most important, what our profit was. Okay. And if you haven't watched the other episodes of this property to see the before and how much progress we've made over this project, you definitely need to go and check those out. So in the meantime, I'm your Flip Coach. Happy investing.